breaking news from the Mitchell Courthouse, postponed indefinitely. Officer Cesar Goodson's trial expected to begin in Baltimore Circuit Court this morning, but minutes before, the Court of Special Appeals says the trial will be delayed. Cesar Goodson Jr. is the second of 6 officers charged in the Freddie Gray case. He was driving the police transport van and faces the most serious charges. WJZ investigator Mike Hellgren is live at the Mitchell Courthouse with the reason for the trial delay and what happens next. Good afternoon, Mike.
Good afternoon, Lynn. Good afternoon, everybody. It all boils down to Officer Porter's testimony in this, and it throws everything into flux. At this point, we do not know how long it will take the appeals court to rule or whether it will be appealed beyond that. A last-second major twist in the high-stakes trials of Baltimore City police officers in the death of Freddie Gray. Just moments before jury selection was supposed to start for Officer Cesar Goodson Jr., the driver of the police van and the only officer to face a murder charge, Maryland's Court of Special Appeals issued this order, stopping Goodson's trial cold until a panel of judges decides whether star witness Officer William Porter should be forced to testify against him.
It could take weeks, it could take months. You just never know what the Court of Special Appeals will do regarding the scheduling of the hearing. And the question that should be asked is whether or not the Court of Appeals will simply just take this case from the Court of Special Appeals and let the highest court, that being the Court of Appeals, just hear the case to kind of get to the end quicker.
Among those at the courthouse this morning, State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby and Porter's attorney Gary Proctor, who argues prosecutors have not given his client enough immunity in order for him to waive his Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination. Porter still faces a retrial after his first trial ended in a hung jury, and he faces possible federal prosecution.
Well, this could ultimately be, a landmark decision because it could have, far-reaching effects in so many other cases where you have, the government trying to compel a state's witness to testify.
Protesters here say this is a sign they can't get justice and plan a demonstration at the courthouse tonight.
I think these people are doing what they can to make sure that the cops get off.
And that demonstration is planned here at 5 o'clock. Now, we should note that Goodson's attorneys wanted this trial to go forward today because they see the prosecution here in a weakened state without this critical witness. Reporting live downtown, Mike Hellgren, WJZ Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you. And here's what you need to know in the Cesar Goodson trial. Jury selection was set to begin today, but the jury is now delayed, or the trial is now delayed indefinitely until there's a ruling from the Court of Special Appeals. The issue surrounds the testimony of Officer William Porter in Goodson's trial. Porter's trial ended in a hung jury. Stay with WJZ for complete coverage of the latest developments involving the officers charged in the death of Freddie Gray. We'll keep you updated on when the critical issue of William Porter testifying will be resolved.